In student, if you have done our previous lecture, okay, so maybe some students they have argument, means they have query, maybe the tree is wrong or correct, okay. So how to know whatever we have drawn, it is correct or no, correct or not, okay. So what was the problem? We have taught you this is pre-order A, B, D, G, H, K, C, E, F. And post order is G, K, H, D, B, E, F, C, A. So by the help of this pre-order and post order, we have drawn this figure, okay, this tree, okay. So now in this tree, now by the help of this tree, again we will draw this one, means we will write the pre-order and post order. If both will match, okay, means by the help of this, I will write pre-order and post order. If the result will match, it means that I am correct, otherwise I am wrong, okay. So your query, okay, I am solving. So this is your tree, okay. So what is the algorithm for pre-order? At first we will take pre-order. So widget left right. So this is widget at first, widget, okay. Now widget then left is this. This is the left subtree. Now in left subtree, the first one again widget, because there is many elements, okay. So this is widget, again widget, done. Now again there are many elements, widget, okay. Now left, widget done. Now left. So now left there is also another element, so this is widget again, this is widget. Now left there is nothing, so this is left, okay, this is left. Now widget done, left done. Now right, in right, widget left right, widget done, left done. Now right, in right there is also another element, so this is widget again, this is widget, left is K. Now in right there is no element, so VLR we have done, widget left right, nothing, okay. So widget, at first we started from here, widget left subtree done. Now right subtree, okay, left subtree done. Now right subtree. Now in the right subtree again there is many element, there is not single element. If single element you will write C, okay, but there is another element, so you will write at first this one, widget left right, widget done, left done. Now right, now in right this is widget. Now left there is nothing, left is E and right is F, done. This is your answer. Now both must be match. You can see A, B, D, G, H, K, C, E, F. It means that I am correct. Now another one, post order, okay. In post order our algorithm is LRV, okay, left right widget, again we will draw. So this is your tree, okay. Left means left. This is the most left. At first you will write the most left, then right, left, then right. But in right there is also another tree, okay. So if there is another tree, then you will go left. So this is left, okay, right, there is no element, left right widget, no element, then widget, okay, left right widget. This is the process, left right widget, left done, right no element, widget is this, okay. In this tree, left done, okay, left done, G already we have written, right done, just we have done, and widget is D, done, okay. Now so now in this tree we have done. So now this is the left portion for this B, okay, left done, right no element, left right widget. This is the tree B, D there is no element, okay. Same thing, suppose this is tree B, D there is no element, so left done, right no element, widget, left right widget means B we will write here. Very simple to understand. Now again in this tree, okay, left overall done. Now right, now you will come here, right, in right you will come. Now in right again, in right this is your tree, okay. In right, left is E, left right widget, left, right widget C. Now left done, already done, right done, already done, widget A, very simple. Now see, G, K, H, D, B, E, F, C, A. It means that our solution means this tree is correct. Today I ask okay, we will explain after some time. Now in the second lecture, again I will show you in the second lecture, we explained that pre-order and in order. Pre-order was A, B, D, E, F, C, G, H, J, L, K, and in order was D, B, F, E, A, G, C, L, J, H, K. Okay. So we asked you in order and pre-order transversal. Okay. And again, maybe by the help of this tree, we will write this one. Pre-order and in order. Maybe I am correct, or maybe I am incorrect again. So this is your tree. Okay, this is your tree. At first pre-order. Pre-order means VLR. Means widget left right. So at first widget means A. Widget, okay. Then left is this. Okay. Now in left there is also tree. Okay, in left there is also tree. So again widget, again widget done. Left. Now there is nothing left, you will write D. Okay. So widget done, left done. Now in right, this is the right. In right there is also another element, not single element. So again this is widget. Again this is widget. Then left is F. There is no right. Okay. So done. So we have done widget. Then we have done left. Then this process we have done now. So widget left right we have done. Okay. So widget done, left done for this tree. Widget done, left done. Okay. Now right. Again right. Again in this tree, what is widget? Widget is C. Widget is C. Okay. So widget left is G. Okay. Now right. Again in right there is also another subtree. Okay. So again this is widget. Okay. Left. Widget left. Now again there is also another tree. So this is widget. Sorry. This is widget. Okay. So this is left and right, no element. Now this is the tree. Widget we have done, left we have done. Now right is K. Now see that this and this both are same. A, B, D, E, F, C, G, H, J, L, K. Both are same. It means that I am correct. Now again we will check also for in order. So what is in order? Left widget right. Okay. Left widget right. I will show you. I will use another pen. Okay. So it will be clear. So left widget right. So at first left is this is tree. Left is this. And widget is this. Right is this. Very simple. So now in this left. Okay. So this is widget. This is left. This is right. Again. This is left, this is widget, this is right. So the most left is this. Most left is this D. Most left. Okay, sorry. Left. Now widget means B. Widget. Okay, sorry. Left widget. Now right. But in right there is also two element. Okay. So again we will use left. This is left. This is left widget is E, right no element. Okay, very simple. Left widget right. So left done. Now widget is A. Left done, widget is A. Now right. Now in right again. In right, left. What is left? Most left. Left. Okay. Left. Widget, left widget. Now widget, left widget. Now right. This is right. Now again in right, left. Now in this is widget. Okay, this is widget now. So left. Now this is left. The most left is this. Left widget right. Left widget no right. Okay, left done. Left widget right. Left done. Widget H and right is K. Done. Now both are same. D, B, F, E, A, G, C, L, J, H, K. It means that I am correct. Okay. Now third, what I taught you, the third was post order and in order. In post order, something something, by the help of this we have draw this tree. So maybe this tree is wrong. Okay, maybe I will check this is correct or wrong. Okay, so at first I will take post order. Okay, so post order means left right widget. This is your algorithm, left right widget. So left means now this is the tree. Okay, this is the root, this is left, this is right. Okay, now left means this. Okay, left. Now again in this tree, what is the left is D. So at first your left is D, then left done. Okay, right means this one. If your tree is this, your left done, right is this one. Okay, now again this is also tree. Okay, so in this tree your left is this, your left is this, left. Okay, right, no element in this tree. This is left. Okay, right, no element widget. Left right widget, left done, right no element widget is E. Done. Okay, so this done, left right widget. Now left done, right done widget B. Now in this tree, left done, right done widget, left right widget. Done. Okay, now in this whole tree, left done. Okay, left done. Now right here. Now in this right, so left, your in this tree, suppose there are only 3 elements. So left is this G, left is G. Okay, left is G, left. Now right, suppose tree is only this, right. Now you are right. Now in right there is also another tree. Okay, now left, again this is widget now. So left. So your left is this, left. Now so only this element, left. Right, no element widget is J. Very simple, J. So now in this tree we have done left, right, no element widget is this. Now this is suppose only one element, left. Now right is K, okay, and widget is H. Okay, left done, right done, widget done. Okay, left done, right done, widget. Now left done, right done, widget. Now you can see both are same. So D, F, E, B, G, L, J, K, H, C, A. D, F, E, B, G, L, J, K, H, C, A. Both are same. It means that every time we are similarly you can get also in order, because already we have done in order here. I will not waste your time. So every time whatever we have taught, everything is correct. Okay, so you can also check, maybe we are wrong, maybe we are correct. You can also check. Now there is a question today I asked to some people. What I ask you, we have written this tree, what the tree is saying, something. Suppose let we are saying, let your age is according to S key, your age is 65. Suppose I am not starting argument, age 65 or 97. Okay, so let A is 65, means B is 66, C is 67, D is 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, something. According to this you have to write the data here. Now you have to check. Okay, so this problem you have to solve in your class. Okay, then you have to tell me means whatever we have done. Okay, so after then you have to convert this one to binary search tree. Okay, we will tell you actually what is BST. Already we have explained BST. In BST, again I will tell you, In BST, this is, if you will write this here, so this is not BST because left is 66. Okay, father must be greater. What is the BST? BST means left is less than father, means root, and less than, strictly less than, okay, not equal to, and root is less than right. This is the binary search tree. Left is less than, left subtree is less than root, means father, and father is less than right, means right every time it is greater. Okay, what is binary tree? I explained many times. If there are at most, again I am saying, at most 2 child, at most means if you have only single node, this is also tree. Listen, if you have only single node, this is also tree. Single node is also tree. Okay, so according to this rule, because at most 2 child, okay, single, if there is this is also tree. If this is also tree. Okay, so this is also binary tree, this is also binary tree, this is according to, because at most. Okay, so now in BST there are some restrictions. Left is always less than, root is less than right. Now in BST, every time you must note, according to this condition, left is always less than root, and root is less than right. Means left is less than father, father is less than right. You can also think. Now, or parents. So here in this tree, you can see that this is the level 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so if you have one tree, suppose, and in this tree, suppose you have, this is 55 and this is 40 and this is 40, this is 59. Okay, so this is binary search tree because 40 is less than 55 and 55 is okay. This is binary search tree. But my question is, if I will remove this one, so this is binary search tree or not? This is a question you have to explain. Okay, because you have to think this condition must be satisfied. Okay, if there is no right, question is, if there is no right, then this is BST or not? Please explain me. Okay, thank you so much. We will come next time.